So you are eating healthy and you are exercising. But what else can you do to speed up your metabolism and lose weight naturally? In this video, I'd like to share with you 8 simple ways to lose weight naturally. Number 1, eat slowly and chew your food well. This is very helpful to stop overeating, because from the time you start eating, it can take up to 20 minutes for the brain to realize that the stomach feels full and you had enough food. Eating slowly also helps digest food properly. Number 2, if you like to reduce your appetite, use blue plates and blue decorations in your eating area. This is called color psychology. Some colors stimulate appetite, blue decreases appetite. Number 3, drink enough water. Sometimes dehydration can make us feel hungry. Research shows that drinking more water during the day decreases your appetite. Water also improves your digestive system, so that fats are eliminated from the body more efficiently. Number 4, always eat your breakfast. A good breakfast helps you have enough energy during the day. Studies show that people who eat breakfast usually eat less during the day. Number 5, eat a small healthy snack high in protein in between your meals. Do not skip meals or allow yourself to get too hungry. This can put you at risk of overeating, and it also can affect your metabolism. Your body can go into survival mode and will get used to storing fat if you don't feed it for a long time. Number 6, get enough sleep. According to science, lack of sleep can affect insulin level, slows down the metabolism, and increases craving. Number 7, learn to manage stress and relax more. Studies have shown that chronic stress can cause imbalances in certain hormones in the body that are responsible for metabolism. Choose a relaxation technique that works for you, such as yoga, deep breathing, meditation, or Reiki. Number 8, write down some positive affirmations about your ideal weight. Also, write down what steps you are taking every day to get to your ideal weight. Make your goals realistic so you can believe them. Repeat these affirmations to yourself every day. Practice these tips and techniques every day, and remember, consistency is the key. For more information about weight loss and my customized sessions, you can visit my website at pacificnaturalhealing.com. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.